李之茗外师来了，故事时间到了，大家快来听听看，今天说什么呢？
Hello everyone, welcome to Storytime with Teacher Richard. Today, we'll hear an exciting story and learn new English words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Charlie's Cooking Challenge. Charlie the chimpanzee was nervous but excited. Today was the school's first ever cooking competition, and he had signed up to participate. He woke up early and double-checked his ingredients: bananas, chocolate, and nuts. Charlie was going to make his famous banana bread. Remember, Charlie, his dad said as they walked to school, the most important ingredient is love. Charlie nodded, clutching his recipe card. He had practiced all week and felt ready. At school, the gymnasium had been transformed into a giant kitchen. There were stations set up with little ovens, mixing bowls, and all sorts of cooking tools. Charlie's friend, Eva the elephant, was there too. "Good luck, Charlie," she said with a big smile. "I can't wait to taste that banana bread." The judge, Ms. Giraffe, called everyone to attention. "Remember, young chefs, you have 1 hour to create your dishes. Ready, set, cook." Charlie got to work, carefully measuring his ingredients and mixing them together. He hummed happily as he worked, thinking about how proud his family would be. Halfway through, Charlie heard a crash from the station next to him. It was Richard the raccoon, looking distressed. "Oh no," Richard cried. "I dropped my mixing bowl and spilled everything." Charlie paused his own work and went over to help. "Don't worry," he said kindly. "We can clean this up together." Together, they quickly cleaned up the mess. Charlie even shared some of his extra ingredients with Richard. "Thank you so much, Charlie," Richard said gratefully. "You're a true friend." Charlie smiled and returned to his station, working quickly to make up for lost time. Soon the delicious smell of banana bread filled the air. When time was up, Ms. Giraffe went around tasting everyone's creations. She praised Charlie's banana bread for its moist texture and perfect balance of flavors. In the end, Charlie won second place. He was thrilled, but even happier when he saw how proud his friends were of him. As they left the gymnasium, Eva said, "Charlie, your banana bread was amazing, but your kindness to Richard was even more impressive." Charlie beamed with pride. He realized that being a good friend was just as important as being a good cook. That night, as he savored a slice of his prize-winning banana bread with his family, Charlie felt grateful for a day filled with friendship, fun, and delicious food. The end.
That's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to practice the new words we learned. See you next time for another fun story.
一起学，一起聊，快乐在每一秒。跟着李之茗外师，学英文真简单。故事里有大冒险，想象力任你飞翔。李之茗外师故事时间，英文故事真有趣。明天再来听新的欢乐，继续不停止。